Hello everyone, once again we are back with another new video. Thank you very much for the love, comments and support shown through the previous videos. Your support means a lot for us. I think you will like this video. Do watch the video until the end. In this video, I am going to prepare a full lunch menu. With averagely within 30 minutes, you can prepare this menu. For this, I am using 2 cups of rice. After washing the rice, I am going to wash dal. Here I am using 1 cup of dal. Now I am going to make the spicy chili curry. For that I am using 1 large onion, 3 big chilies, 2 green chilies, 1 half tomato, with that I am adding some curry leaves. After curry leaves, Maldives fish, 1 spoon red chili flakes, salt as per the taste. When adding salt, we must be careful because we are adding salted mango here. After that, we are adding salted mango. Finally, here goes coconut oil. You can add any kind of oil, but I am adding coconut oil here. Now I am going to cook the rice. Already it's in the cooker, and with that I am going to make my dal curry. For dal I have taken water, required amount of water. Now I will tell how to make the dal curry. For this I am adding half spoon of turmeric powder, then salt for the taste, and I am adding some roasted curry powder, half spoon roasted curry powder. If you like, you can add chili. If you have small children at home, you can use only turmeric powder, roasted curry powder and salt. And I am adding 3 garlics, finely chopped garlic, into the dal and letting it to boil. Cover the lid and cook the rice for 10 minutes. Now dal is finished boiling. At this stage we must add coconut milk. Now time is to make mutton gravy. First wash all the mutton thoroughly. I have taken 500 gram mutton here. We need 1 cup oil, 1 large onion, two green chilies, 1 tomato, and then you have to mix it well. For that I am using half cup of curd, 3 spoon ginger garlic paste, 1 spoon roasted curry powder, 2 spoons curry powder, 1 spoon red chili, 1 spoon cumin powder, salt as per the taste, and give it a good mix. In another side, onions are frying. At this stage, I am adding mutton into the pot. Now add all mixed spices. Once the coconut milk start to boil, turn off the cooker and close the lid. Now our dal is ready. Now add required amount of water and cover the lid and pressure cook for 20 minutes. At this stage, you can add coriander leaves. Now our lunch is ready. Let's serve hot.